In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play 2v2 co-op in EAFC 26. There are a few modes that let you do that. You can start with co-op seasons. This mode allows you and your friend to play together on the same team against two other players online. To do this, go to the main menu, select co-op seasons and create a new season with your friend. Then pick a team you both like and start playing matches. It even has divisions, so you can climb through ranks if you want a more competitive experience. But if you just wanna play casually with your friend, that's perfectly fine too. Next, there's Ultimate Team Co-op. In this mode, you can also team up with a friend and play matches together. To do that, go to Play, then open Rivals and add your teammate. You'll be able to play on the same side. However, keep in mind that it's not always guaranteed you'll face another duo. Sometimes you might be matched up against a solo player. There's also Squad Battles Co-op, where you and your friend can play together against AI opponents. It's not 2v2 online mode since you are facing the CPU, but it still requires an internet connection. So to sum up, there are mainly two ways to play 2v2 online in FC26, co-op seasons and rivals in Ultimate Team. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the clubs mode. This isn't strictly 2v2, but it allows you to create your own player, form a club and play matches with up to 11 players on your team against another club of real players. It's a larger scale version of co-op, perfect if you wanna team up with more friends. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.